Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you how to make useful sentences in present perfect continuous tense in English. Are you ready for the game? Okay, let's start. She has been studying English. We have been watching cricket. They have been playing there for a long time. It has been raining continuously. We have been discussing about that matter. She has been traveling for 2 days. Who has been coming with us? I have been reading English. We have been reading newspapers for 2 hours. Who has been working since 5 p.m.? They have been taking food for 2 hours. Has he been writing? We have been watching TV. She has been running fast. They have been listening to music for 2 hours. We have been listening to him for the last 3 hours. Who has been jogging along? We have been watching cricket. Rama has been climbing on the tree for 5 minutes. The fruits have been falling for a few minutes. We have been picking up the fruits. He has been eating fruits for 1 hour. We have been studying this exercise for the last several days. The teacher has been punishing us for the last 1 month. He has been washing clothes for 2 hours. Sita has been scolding her husband for a few minutes. We have been traveling by train to Delhi. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.